Hi guys, this is Anushka. Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe my channel and ring that bell icon so that you're notified the next time I post. So today I'm going to achieve this makeup look with the help of some drugstore products. Also, I'm going to review some of my favorite drugstore products. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So yeah, let's start. So firstly, you have to apply primer on your skin before applying any kind of makeup. So for primers, I have three options for you. Number one is aloe vera gel. So you can just apply whatever aloe vera gel you have at your home and you can just apply it on your skin. That works just fine. But if you're looking for like a proper primer, then you can surely go in for Sugar's primer. So this one is for 799 rupees. I'll mention all the prices somewhere on the screen and I'll also mention the product in the description box below. So this one is just great. Like, I love this one. This just blurs out your pores and also gives that dewy effect to your skin. The next primer I have for you people is Lakme's Blur Perfect Primer. I don't have it right now, but I'll attach an image somewhere on the screen. That's an amazing primer as well. You can give that one a shot. For concealers, I have three options for you. Number one is LA Girl Concealer. This one is just perfect. This is the medium beige concealer and this is perfect for my skin tone. It blends perfectly. I love this concealer. Like, I totally love this one. Then I also have Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable. This is not my skin tone, but I use this for highlighting. I have two of them. The third concealer I have for you is the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. Honestly, I haven't used that concealer, but I have heard amazing reviews about that concealer from my friends. After the concealing part is done, then comes foundation. For foundation, I have three options for you. The number one option is Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation. This is in the shade 128 and this one works perfectly for my skin type and skin tone. This is such an amazing foundation. I used this for the first time for this video and I'm totally in love with it. I know this foundation has created a lot of hype in the market and this is worth that hype. The best part in this foundation is that this comes with this pump and yeah, this is a great purchase. Then the second option is Maybelline's Dream Satin Skin Foundation. This also has an SPF of 24. This is a very light foundation. This is air whipped liquid foundation. So this is very light on your skin and this one is also very nice. Then I have this PAC's HD Liquid Foundation. This one is amazing. Like, the packaging is super cute. This comes in the cylindrical box and this is the foundation. I have this in the shade 1.6. I also have this in the shade 4.5. I mix the two of them and then that works perfectly for my skin color. So after we've done with the foundation, then comes the cream contour. So there are basically two types of contouring: cream contour and powder contouring. So when you are applying the cream products, you have to apply all the cream products and then you can switch on to the powder products. You cannot switch in between the cream and then powder and then again cream products. You shouldn't do that because then that'll form some patches on your skin and that doesn't look nice at all. So for the cream contouring, I have this PAC's contour crayon in the shade D31. I am like totally in love with this crayon. This works perfectly for my skin color. This is not a very dark contour color, but PAC has a lot of different colors as well. Then for the powder contouring, I have this Wet n Wild's powder contour and the compact powder. So this one is a duo palette and this one is in the shade Caramel Toffee. This is how it looks. This one is just great. This is so blendable and this one is like perfect. I love this one. Once we are done with the contouring part, then comes the blush part, which is my favorite. Then for blush, I have two options for you. Actually three. The third option, I don't have it right now. Number one is Sugar's blush. This is such a compact packing and I'm wearing this blush today. This is in the shade Salmon Superstar. This is a very peachy and a coral shade. Then I have a blush palette for you people, which is like really cheap. This is In Color's 5 color blush palette. So they have all the pinks and peach color, and I'll give you a swatch of the pink and the peach shade. So this is the swatch. The third option for blush is the Fit Me's blush, which I don't have right now, but that's an amazing blush as well if you're looking for a shimmery blush. After we've done with the blush, then comes my favorite part, which is the highlighting. So there are different types of highlighter again: liquid highlighter, cream highlighter, powder highlighter, loose highlighter. So I'm going to give you three options for highlighters. Number one is the Sivana Colors Shimmer Brick Highlighter in the shade 04. This is how it looks. This has different shades of highlighter and you can use whatever shade you want to. The next highlighter I have for you is the Maybelline's Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. This is the packaging. I know it's broken because I've used it so much and I totally love this one. This is such a pretty golden shade. The next highlighter I have for you is the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter. So this one is a liquid highlighter, and to be very honest, I haven't used this on my skin. I have used this on a friend's skin and it works perfect as a highlighter. I'm just very unhappy with this application thing. Like, this application is of no use. See, I'm pressing it and then this is not coming out. This is useless. This application thing is useless, honestly. I'll just give you a swatch. It's beautiful. We're done with the face. We're coming to the eyes. For eyes, I have two eye palettes for you. I couldn't find an eye palette which was like really cheap and did wonders. The first palette I have for you is iMagic Professional Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette. This has all the brown shades and some shimmer shades as well. This is how it looks from the outside. This one is for I think 1,000 rupees. I'll mention everything on the screen somewhere. This has such amazing pigments and I have used this one today on my eyes. The second palette is Forever 52 Expressive 35 color eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I don't think you can save on your eyeshadow palettes because this palette lasts for like 3-4 years. This is how it looks from the inside. This eyeshadow thing is this Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow, which is in the shade 04. This is such a pretty silverish goldenish shade. I will just swatch it for you people. So you can just put it on your eyelids and you're good to go. See, this is so pretty. Yeah. Now comes the eyeliner. For eyeliner, I have three options for you people, which is the Maybelline's Gel Liner. This is my holy grail. I love this one. I use it like every day. Then I have this Lakme's Insta Liner. I love the colors that they have in this liner. They have blue, green, grey, silver, I think, black to hairy. And this is like super cheap. This is just for 110, 120 rupees, which is a great purchase. Then if you're looking for some shimmery eyeliners, you can go in with the Miss Clear Pearl eyeliner. This is again like really cheap and it's amazing again. So for mascara, I have two options for you. The number one is Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. This is the waterproof one. I use it all the time. This has to be my favorite mascara. Then I have the Colorbar's Mascara. This has two sides to it. Number one is the lengthening mascara and the second side is the volumizing mascara. This has two things in one mascara, which is amazing. The last thing on my list is lipsticks. Honestly, lipstick is such a big category and to choose some lipsticks was very difficult, but still I tried. So I've three options for you for lipsticks. The Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color. So this is perfect because this also works as a cheek tint. This one is in the shade Plum Feather and I highly not recommend this color because this is like super dark and oh my god, like I cannot use this. I just dab it on my lips and still it's so dark. Like, I'll just show you. Next lipstick I have for you is the Nykaa Molten Matte. This is also a lip and a cheek tint. This is in the shade Blair 03. This is such a pretty pink color. I love it. And more than my lips, I love it on my cheeks. Is the shade. And the last lipstick I have for you people is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. I have this one in 4 shades. Yup. This is Pink Silk, the Peach Rose, which is again very pretty in a very peachy tone. I have this Rhythmic Red for you. Oh my god, this is such a vibrant red color. For all you people who love red lipsticks, you can give this one a try. Pink Heels. So this is a very Barbie pink shade, perfect for your, oh my god, this is such a pretty shade. Perfect for your wedding season, or I don't know, like, this is so pretty. Here is the final look. I hope you like it. If you did, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.